Waking up every morning without the option to hit the snooze button is something no one wants. But if you're the owner of a furry alarm clock that can't be turned off, you'll understand this feeling better than ever. This is the life of pet owners, and if you've never experienced it, just imagine waking up each morning to a fun workout session.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
When you own a fluffy alarm clock that doesn't have a snooze button. Using a bowl as an alarm clock, that's really creative.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
This dog won't let you sleep because you dared to snooze without him by your side. For those who don't know the power of a Labrador's tail, it's actually as strong as a stick. Hey, wake up, it's time to eat. My stomach can't feed itself.
What? What?
Here he comes.
Oh my God! Help me! Help me!
I wish I had these alarm clocks to wake me up every morning.
No! You took away Ozzy's blanket. Are you okay, Gigi?
It's the first time I've met a husky that's not noisy, just staring at you with a judgmental look.
Daddy, 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 wake up, wake up! Give me belly rubs! Give me! Wake up, daddy, wake up, wake up, wake up! Thank you, daddy! Oh, so relaxed.
What a great way to greet someone in the morning.
Hey, yo! Yeah, you, man! Wake up!
I think the dog used all its energy just to protest a hungry belly because it's 5 minutes late for breakfast.
Good morning! Get up!
Golden retrievers give the best wake-up call ever.
Bruh.
Instead of barking, this dog uses its paws. This guy looks like he's starting to get frustrated.
Good.
This is a polite dog. She waits for her owner to wake up and come into the room to wake them up.
Good morning. Good morning, my smell the bacon.
This could be the fastest way to wake up a dog.
Was that nice? You go, boo.
Good morning, Titan. Oh my
This dog deserves to be a personal assistant with how punctual it always is. She said, "The door will never separate our hearts."
Please go away. Let me sleep for the love of God.
Aw, you're so cute. You're mine now.
Sometimes, all we need is a little fluffy ball like this to wake us up.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
The dog shows his affection for his owner with a gift, a mouse he hunted.
It is 2 o'clock in the fucking morning.
A cute dog that helps you wake up more easily. Every weekend, these 5 golden retrievers love waking up their dad so they can all go for a walk together. So adorable, right? What a cute dog. She wants to wake her friend up in the gentlest way possible.
You are my best friend. If I'm dying, you dying with me. Ain't no choice. Hell, you are my best friend.
When you're fast asleep and your favorite song comes on.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
You wanna go outside?
Huh?
Do not put your butt on his head, Zeus. You're just guarding him. Good job, Eddie.
Help me! Help me!
Not only waking you up, this guy also gives you a free bedside face wash package. You know he's already dreaming about his food. This dog is really patient while trying to wake its owner up.
Ow.
New challenge. Wait until your dog is asleep. Take one of their favorite treats and put it under their nose to see if they wake up.
There. Now you're ready. Go.
The routine when Dad has to work the night shift, and all the dogs get excited when he wakes up. Definitely a noisy alarm clock.
Are you okay,
Wanna get up? No, out, Dex. No, that's not up. Alright, come on, down. Down, boy. Over there, come on. Let's go check on your brother. Let's go get your brother. You want a snack? Let's go get a snack. Come on.
Can we give her a rub? Come on in. Morning.
They are the best of friends in the world.
You okay? Good boy, Green Eyes. Good boy.
His dog wakes him up like this almost every morning.
Ow!
Nap time no longer exists in this household.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Five for decades, but the answer is to launch featuring comic.
Help me! Help me!
The little dog seems very aloof, while the older dog just wants to cuddle the cute puppy.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
This little guy is trying to get as much attention as possible.
No, 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 no.
When you have an alarm clock like this, you either wake up immediately or the dog will lay on top of you.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
Poppy, who's here to put you to bed tonight? Who's gonna do your bedtime routine with you tonight?
Let's go night night. Come on. Come on. Let's go night night.
This dog is truly overly pampered, but it also shows the great love that the grandparents have for it.
Now you have to get her mask and her iPad. When Granny came to visit, and you want to sleep terribly,
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
the little dog wants to make sure he's full before taking another nap. I think this dog is sending a signal to aliens. He sounds like an old generator when it starts. it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.